Gettings from test prep card. At this point of time, when your child is in grade 9th or grade 10th, you want to prepare the child either for engineering through JEE or for medical through NEET. Correct? So we receive many queries, and it is written that my child is in grade 10th and now we want to prepare for JEE. Right? That's the first thing. Second thing is that when you inquire and when you go to this institute, that institute, there are various online, offline. They give you the course detail, okay, without knowing your child's aptitude or the abilities. I mean to say academic abilities. Correct? Third thing is that, which is very common. If you ask someone, the person with whom you are speaking with, what basically is this program? So he would say that, see, if your child is in grade 9th, we will teach him for grade 11th and 12th topics also. And if your child is in grade 10th, we would teach him for grade 11th and topics, right? So this way, we would simply try to prepare your child for JEE foundation or medical foundation. Now the question is, if your child is in grade 9th or grade 10th, is your child surpassing the difficulty level of the questions or the problems that he is facing in grade 9th or grade 10th? That's the first question. The second question is that, has your child acquired full knowledge along with the problem solving application for all the topics of physics, chemistry, math, biology for grade 9th and grade 10th? Right? If your child has done so, then does it make any sense that being in grade 9th and 10th, your child is studying the topics of grade 11th and 12th? Then what your child would be doing in grade 11th and 12th? Preparing for anything 2 years back or a year back, it doesn't show that your child would be cracking JEE or cracking NEET. These are very superfluous things, right? Now the truth is that if your child could do best by being in grade 9 for all the topics of grade 9 or by being in grade 10 for all the topics of grade 10, it means your child has shown you the rays of hope that he or she is a perfect material for JEE or NEET, having passed grade 12th board with good marks. That basically the reality. If you go away from the reality, please be ready to face the challenges which you are not able to foresee. Right. Now let me tell you, your child in grade 9th and 10th, there are two things, and this is a sort of syndrome where the child suffers. Your child is studying physics, chemistry, math, biology because in grade 9th and grade 10th, the topics are something which is probably is in stride of everyone's aptitude. For that he or she doesn't have to struggle. Now while doing so, as far as matter is concerned with gaining this subjective knowledge, that has already been done. But what about that $1 million question about gaining a problem solving application? It means your child knows gravitation, but is he also practicing the diverse variety of question of different level of difficulty related with gravitation? If he is practicing anyhow, for those wrong questions, is he getting the proper way as how to solve this question? What basically are the steps involved? How to attempt and approach these questions? Right. So grade 9th and grade 10th, this is the time just to build up a very sound foundation, and this can only be done when your child, along with theories and concept, is practicing, right? If he is spending 1 hour in learning theories and concept, he must spend 2 hours in practicing the question related with those theories and concepts. And he must make mistakes because it gives you a very good scope to learn, to understand the things. And this basically gives him a very good opportunity to evolve himself as a very sound person, as a student who is ready to face the challenges. So if he has done well in grade 9th and 10th, it means he would be doing well in grade 11th and 12th. And done well means the method that we are describing. So remember, when a child is in grade 9th or grade 10th, the most important thing is what? To acquire a problem solving application. If you miss this pocket of time in superfluous things, you miss the game, right? Here at Test Prep Cart, there is heavy assertion on problem solving application, and this bifurcates a student from a Test Prep Cart student, right? They are going through a roller coaster of the practicing the question, the doubt removal section, practicing the question, doubt removal session. The cycle is being repeated, right? It works as per a theory of a spiral ascendance, that from bottom it goes to the top of acquiring perfection in a topic, be it physics or chemistry or math or biology, right? This is simple pedagogy. In order to know more about our foundation program, right, please don't get yourself guided by the big names, right? Get yourself guided by the right name, that is Test Prep Cart. And remember, the specialty of the Test Prep Cart is what? That the batch size is very small for foundation. There would only be 15 students in a batch, all like-minded, to be taught by best of the teacher with heavy practice of questions after understanding the theories and concept. And this is only possible when your child is being paid proper attention. If attention is not there, nothing is going to work, right? So in order to know more about the pedagogy of the Test Prep Cart and know more about the student, the way a student is dealt here at Test Prep Cart, please give all the details, your phone number, your email ID and name, etc. We are going to contact you. We are going to invite you for an analysis session, either of math or physics with our teachers. And then, having sent you a small feedback regarding a child mind, brain and aptitude, we send you the complete course detail. And then after the discussion, we enroll. And this is the right process. So please do not forget the right process, because the truth is truth, right? So in order to know more about such things, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay tuned with the latest information. Thank you.